New to email marketing? This video guides you step by step to grow your business or freelance career. Email marketing sends messages, offers, newsletters to subscribers. You own your audience unlike social media, reaching them anytime. In 2026, email marketing is powerful for online growth. Social media reach limited, emails direct to inbox for control, higher engagement. No expensive software needed to start. Use free tools like MailChimp, Sendinblue, Gmail. First, create simple sign-up form. Offer free resource to encourage subscriptions. Build organically. Next, write engaging emails. Clear subject lines, valuable content, call to action like visit website. Avoid mistakes like too many emails, clickbait, no personalizing. Build trust, engagement. Automate emails with sequences for new subscribers or promotions. Saves time, grows revenue while you sleep. Start today, keep learning. Your email list is your most valuable asset forever.